Houston, ready for takeoff.
Yeah, I was traveling a long distance all over from Germany here to the United States, and I have to tell you, it is amazing. For me, the most interesting thing I was taking with me is that the construction business is completely ready for the 21st century. We learned that it's not only about concrete and steel anymore, it is also a lot about software.
We really appreciate Innovatric putting on the conference. In general, it was very professional. Everything was timed really well. The moderator did a great job introducing people, bringing people up. There's a great group of people here. Clients, owners, general contractors, suppliers, and that group is the type of people you want to sit in a room together and learn how do we improve the industry.
When I found out you were doing a battery gigafactory conference and that we were going to have suppliers, vendors, and competitors here, including Tesla and General Motors, it was a no-brainer for me. Come here, see what the best practices are out there, and see how we can apply them in our companies.
We haven't seen such a boom for construction for the last 50 years. And it's a great opportunity that companies have to grab. I think the right technology to use is digital twin that can help to reduce cost and to reduce timeline. And it is basically a risk mitigation strategy for companies to use.
Being a safety manager, I really try to learn as much of the project delivery side as possible. It makes my job a lot easier. So gaining all this information, I think moving forward is going to help me as a professional. This is an evolving technology. Things are changing by the day, and that really does take a village because a collaboration effort is really important to make sure that we move forward in a safe and progressive way as a country.
So I guess if I can describe it in 3 words, technology, education, and networking. Probably today, one of the biggest highlights taking away is networking with a close second of understanding how AI is being implemented in construction.
So I think the networking session went well. Like I said, you get to meet so many people who have been there in their field, for so long, and you also get to learn from them. So that's one of the biggest things of attending events like this.
The cocktail reception yesterday was fantastic. One of the biggest benefits I've gotten from the conference is the ability to bring people together from all industries with innovative minds, and that reception brought us together. So I've learned a lot, I've made new connections, and I'm really looking forward to working with others.
I learned few things about vendors producing great products. X-Energy created actually curiosity for me. I want to go see their facility in Mesa with my team, and then getting perspectives the likes of Intel and Tesla and Ford and GM. I thought, biggest takeaway, there's so much talent and so much knowledge.
The part that I appreciated most was that the presenters actually were going into great detail in some of their industries. Certain things like AI, manufacturing difficulties, or even the representative from Bar Mallow with the safety discussion. So in general, for mega facilities in the US, I think it's going to progress a lot towards automation, even in processing information collected from the construction sites to improve efficiencies.
I think it's very helpful to see what our peers are doing in other industries, but also to see what other industries, related industries, how they're handling different challenges and how they're thinking about, advancing both their technologies and products and workforce. It's very exciting to see those sort of developments.
I would absolutely love to be considered not only just to speak, but also to further serve as chairperson for Innovatrix at future conferences. I think just seeing how they put this one together, as well as the caliber of speakers, it's just a whole lot of fun for me to be involved.